So today's topic is all about overwhelm. We all get into overwhelm at different times, and I'm going to give you 5 questions that are going to help pull you out of overwhelm and get you kicking some butt online pronto. Hello and welcome to another episode. It's Michelle here from michellehext.com. If you're a coach who wants to start making a lot of money online, then you are in the right place. Before we dive into today's video, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel and please hit the notifications button. You don't want to miss it. I'm going to be bringing you some incredible content every Wednesday and Friday so that you can implement this stuff into your coaching business so you can get there faster. Who doesn't want that, right? Okay, so the first question that I want you to ask yourself is, what is my priority right now? Priorities change. Sometimes the priority is, I need to make some money. Other times the priority could be, I need to increase my visibility. Sometimes the priority might be to completely rebrand. It could be anything. Maybe your priority isn't your business. Maybe your priority is taking care of a family member or going on holiday. But think about what your priority is. Get really clear about what that is. First step, what is my priority right now? Okay, the second question that I want you to ask yourself is, what am I trying to achieve here? Sometimes we've got all the things that we need to do and we try to do everything all at once, and it really does lead to overwhelm. And say, for example, your priority is to make money. You're asking yourself, what am I trying to achieve here? And you're looking at the activities you're doing, and there's nothing that you're doing or making a priority that is a money-making activity. So ask yourself, what am I trying to achieve here? Make sure that it's in alignment with your priorities. If it's not, shift things around. Know that you will get to things that are important, but you have one priority, and that's the thing that you've got to give your attention to. And then you want to check in that the activities that you're doing are in relation to the priority that you have. Okay, question number 3 is, what is the path of least resistance right now? Oftentimes you guys like to complicate things, you like to overthink things, and you just get confused, right? And you try to make things really fancy. For example, say you wanted to run an online course and you've been procrastinating, you're thinking, I need to go and learn all about how to use freaking Kajabi or something like that. Well, the path of least resistance might be, you know what, I'm going to run it in a Facebook group, I'm going to do live streams, and I'm going to create a workbook and I'm going to upload that to the Facebook group. How easy is that? Super easy. That would be the path of least resistance. So figure out what is the path of least resistance and take that. That's going to get you unstuck. It's going to make you feel inspired because you feel like you're going to be able to make some progress. Okay, question number 4 is one I love, and that is there somebody who can do this better than me? And when I say better, I mean faster, to a higher level of quality, for example, or it's just their area of expertise and it's not yours. You've been muddling through trying to make do. So I love that question. Is there somebody else who can do this better than me? And you know what? If the answer is yes, you've got to start to outsource. That's all there is to it. Okay, question number 5 is, what's my next step? We don't want this to be theory, right? We don't want to get excited. This is my priority. What am I trying to do here? Okay, this is what I'm trying to do. You don't want to go through all that process and then end up back where you were an hour from now because you haven't done anything. So I want you to ask yourself, what is the next step right now that I need to take? That next step is going to be the thing that gets you moving and unstuck. You don't need to know about the step after that, because when you start moving, the next step will reveal itself. Then the next step will reveal itself. Then the next step will reveal itself. And before you know it, you're going to be in massive momentum. And you, my love, are going to be kicking butt online. Okay, so they are my 5 questions. I want to ask you, which of those 5 questions resonates with you the most? And which one do you think is going to get you unstuck? And I would love to hear from you. If you use these questions and they got you moving again, please let me know in the comments which of the questions got you fired up, or all of them, and tell me what it is that you were able to achieve once you got going again. Okay, that is a wrap from me today. I will see you on the next video. Take care. Don't forget that subscription button. Bye for now.